Hi betting experts, on Friday the 11th of June. First of all, look back at our two bets at Newbury on Thursday. We moved to Sandown on Friday, fast ground expected. The weather forecast fantastic. It's been 25 and sunny all week in Esher, and conditions are drying out and quickening up all the time. We start off with our value angle selection in the 210. This is the Thames Ditton handicap, a 7 furlong class 5. 3-year-olds only, an alarming £2,862 to the winner, which is pretty incredible at Sandown on a Friday, to be truthful. The one I like is Brian Meehan's bottom weight Mojan Deal. Now this one has run 10 times in total, 9 of those on the turf. He's yet to notch a win. He's been placed on 4 occasions. I thought he shaped really well at Nottingham when claimer driven, when finishing second over an extended mile behind Seaset back on the 8th of May. I thought it was a lot better than the bare result there. He was then quite strong in the market next time out, when only 5th, back down to second favouritism for a quite warm race at Yarmouth, won by Greystone. He shaped pretty well there, up on a strong pace throughout, where the principals all came from well off the back. Mojandil paid the price for chasing Prospect there. I think this quickening ground will suit him. He gets weight all round. He should be completely fit now. He's down to a mark of 68. On the pick of his place form, I think he's entitled to go really close, and at a double figure price, I think he's well worth chancing. For our nap of the day, we go to the opening 12.20. This is the British Stallions Studs EBF Novice Stakes, 5 furlong class 4 for 2-year-olds only, Division 1, £4,266 on offer to the winner. I'm going to take a chance at the prices on Clive Cox's Just Star. Now the yard wouldn't be particularly known for first time out winners unless the market speaks, and this one was very much in need of the run when only 7th at Salisbury, beaten 8 3/4 lengths by Superior Force, who's another one of those useful George Bowie juveniles. If you watch the run back, Just Star was very green throughout, getting tired at the furlong pole, far from disgraced, a lot better than the bare result, sure to improve dramatically for that, and much faster ground here will definitely suit him. The Derby winning jockey Adam Kirby's books, and I'm expecting him to go really close here with loads of improvement in the tank. Best of luck on Friday, betting experts.